Car Speaker Review. HERTZ SPL Show Series SX-165-NEO. Real loud riding results. Ever crank your music on the highway and still barely hear it over wind noise? I remember riding with the volume maxed, vocals disappearing the second I hit 50 miles per hour. It felt pointless. Stock speakers just surrendered. If you drive a Jeep, convertible, or bike, you've probably felt that frustration too, right? Tell me I'm not alone. You try EQ tweaks, maybe a small amp, but there's still that knot in your stomach when the chorus drops and the sound gets swallowed by road noise. It's not just volume, it's clarity under pressure. Regular coaxial speakers weren't built for open-air punishment. There had to be a louder, tougher solution without turning the install into a science project. Then I stumbled into the HERTZ SPL Show Series SX-165-NEO. Don't just pick any car speaker. Make sure it has high sensitivity, around 96.5 decibels, so you never suffer weak output that gets buried by wind and road noise again. The first time I installed this 6.5-inch coaxial speaker in an open-door setup, I expected louder. What surprised me was how clean it stayed at speed. The neodymium magnet keeps the motor compact but strong, so it projects with authority. The 1.4-inch PEI dome tweeter cuts through without sounding harsh, and the water-repellent pressed paper cone shrugs off moisture that would scare normal speakers. A friend who rides daily almost missed an important client call while testing music because the clarity at cruising speed was that much better. He actually pulled over, laughing. Let me be honest, these are tuned for impact, not soft audiophile warmth. But for motorcycles, Jeeps, and convertibles, that projection and UV-resistant durability are exactly the point. Even experienced installers appreciate the easy fit and solid terminals. After a few weeks, daily driving changes. You stop fighting your volume knob. Industry reviewers consistently describe the SX-165-NEO as extremely loud, yet controlled, especially in open-air vehicles. Influencers in the motorcycle space often mention how it holds clarity at highway speeds, where stock speakers collapse. Analysts point to the UV treatment, humidity resistance, and neodymium motor as real engineering choices, not marketing fluff. Those details are publicly documented and verifiable. One Jeep owner shared that with the top off, conversations were still possible between songs because the sound stayed defined instead of turning into distortion. That's a subtle but meaningful shift. Now, is it for everyone? If you want ultra-flat studio tuning for quiet cabin listening, this SPL-oriented design may feel aggressive. That's the trade-off. But if your reality includes wind, vibration, and exposure, this is exactly where it shines. Installation is straightforward, with universal mounting and double fast-on terminals, though pairing with proper amplification unlocks its full potential. Quick gut check. Are you building for polite background music or real outdoor presence? That answer makes the decision clearer. The car speaker upgrade most riders actually need isn't softer. It's stronger and clearer. The HERTZ SPL Show Series SX-165-NEO delivers high-sensitivity output, weather resistance, and real-world projection that thousands of power sports and open-air drivers rely on. If you want music that keeps up with your environment, not hides from it, check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Explore it calmly and see if it fits your ride. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.